Today we're at the Sirata Beach Resort at St. Pete Beach, where being near the water can create real foundation and stability challenges. Today's scope is focused and specialized on installing pre-construction helical piers for a new pool area. Before a pool is built here at the resort, we're doing the work that determines whether the pool stays stable for decades, especially in Florida's severe stormy weather. Behind me, this is the part that most people never see, but it is what makes everything that comes after possible. In severe weather, you can get enough upward pressure to cause severe issues if the structure is not properly stabilized. This term for pools is what is called pool popping, and that is exactly what our pre-construction helical piers are going to do to prevent that from happening on this coastal pool.
Helical piers are a galvanized steel element that are torqued into the ground to reach a reliable bearing capacity as well as uplift anchoring capacity. They are an ideal pre-construction solution when conditions demand a stronger stabilization strategy. We have used this same approach for many projects near the water in the past because it is proven efficient and built for long-term performance when soil stability is a concern. For this project, the stabilization plan includes 52 galvanized steel helical piers to be placed under the pool area to prevent uplift force. And because they're galvanized steel, they're designed for durability, a crucial factor in environments where long service life is expected. Pre-construction work is about precision. Locations are verified, alignment is controlled, and everything is monitored by an engineer, in this case ECS, to ensure the piers meet performance expectations. This is how you reduce risks early on. Once the piers are installed, the pool foundation contractor can move forward knowing there's a solid foundation underneath. The goal is straightforward. Install the helical piers to spec, verify performance through torque, in this case 8,000 pounds of torque, and hand off a stable foundation system to the pool construction team. At the Sirata Beach Resort, the most important work happens before all the visible work begins. Stabilization first, so that everything else that follows has a solid starting point. The helical pier method is highly effective and long-lasting, especially for pre-construction. If you're building near the water and you want to protect your foundation from soil instability and uplift risk, helical pre-construction piers are a proven solution. Thanks for watching. Be sure to contact Helicon for any of your foundation repair and soil stabilization needs. We look forward to seeing you on the next project.